If you need to unlink a bank account from your Freelancer account, follow these simple steps to do it effectively. Step 1. Log into your Freelancer account. Start by visiting the Freelancer website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your profile settings. Look for the Payment Settings option in the menu to access your financial information. Step 3. Locate linked bank accounts. In the Payment Settings section, find the area that lists your linked bank accounts. This will show you all the accounts currently connected to your Freelancer account. Step 4. Select the bank account to unlink. Identify the bank account you wish to unlink. There should be an option next to manage or remove the account. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking process. Click on the unlink or remove option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Make sure to check for any notifications or confirmations that may appear. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully unlinked from your Freelancer account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Freelancer support for assistance.